How to get rank below 10,000 in TES Eamcet 2020 in last 7 days. Before starting with the video, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So there are only few days left for the TES Eamcet engineering examination. So you people are nearly having 1 week. Till now you are confused that the TES Eamcet will be conducted or it will be postponed. As yesterday the TES ESET exam has been successfully completed, so the TES Eamcet will be also conducted on 9th, 10th, 11th and 14th September 2020 for engineering students. So you consider it as a final dates of TES Eamcet 2020 and start your preparation now itself. So I had listed out some of the important chapters of subjects maths, physics, chemistry. So by preparing these chapters you can easily get rank below 10,000. So let's start with the mathematics. In mathematics, start with the chapters matrices, vector algebra, trigonometric ratios up to transformation, straight lines, pair of straight lines, permutation and combination, binomial theorem, 3D geometry, and statistics, direction ratios and cosines, probability, circles, quadratic equations, and properties of triangle. So you just prepare these units in mathematics. Then start with the subject physics. So in physics you should have to start with the units Newton's law of motion, motion in a straight line, oscillation, units and dimensions, motion in a plane, gravitation, waves, current, electricity, atoms, waves, ray optics, and work power energy. Now we'll be talking regarding the chemistry. In chemistry, start with the unit atomic structure, chemical bonding, states of matter, 3A, 15, 16, 17, 18 group elements, and environmental chemistry, solutions, electrochemistry, alkali and earth metals. So by preparing these units, you can easily get rank below 10,000 in Eamcet 2020. So make sure to start your preparation right now, and if you have any doubt, just comment in the comment section and share this informative video with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching.